Nobody told me this one tool could save me hours every week, so I'm telling you. Stop wasting hours creating content every single day. Let me show you the exact trick I use to schedule an entire month of LinkedIn posts in less than 20 minutes. Most people think content consistency is hard, but that's because they're still doing everything manually. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how I plan, write, and schedule 30 days of LinkedIn posts using Postly.com, and trust me, once you see this, you'll never go back to the old way. Ready? Let's jump in.
Hi guys, the first thing we're going to do is to log into Postly AI account, and this is what the interface looks like. If you don't have an account, please register. So this is what my own interface looks like. I have few scheduled posts. You click on create. When you click on create, you go on Google Docs. That is where you already have your planned content. Then you copy the day, the exact day you want to work on, and then you highlight it, you copy, and then you go back to Postly AI, then you paste it there. Then you start formatting the text so it comes out good whenever it's auto post on your social media. Now this tool is for busy business owners, people who don't have time to stay consistent on social media. You can plan 30 days content in just 1 hour, in a full day. If you don't have 1 hour, you can do full day, and then every other thing as from that day auto posts on your social media. I use this mainly for my LinkedIn account. I don't use it for any other account. I have other tools I use for my Instagram and Twitter and other accounts, but I use this for my LinkedIn, and it's been good so far. I don't have to keep posting every day. This thing auto posts for me. So we are still on the formatting aspect, I think. And then after formatting this one, I'm going to show you how to publish it. Then you click your name tag right there, then you click on date. I'm not going to select 19 because I think I already posted for that. I'm clicking 21, then I'm clicking on time 7 a.m. I always post by 7 a.m. and I'm clicking OK, I'm clicking done, I'm clicking publish. Now voila, the post has been scheduled successfully. Click on create again. This is my interface. This is what it looks like. Click on create again, go back to your Google Docs. I'm going to click on day 5 now. I'm going to highlight day 5. I'm going to copy that. After copying day 5, I'm going to go back to my Postly AI platform, and then I'm going to post that there. I'll start editing it again. Like I said, all you need to just do is go to where you created your content, where you have your content pillar and all that, copy the content, and then take it back into Postly AI. If you have 30 content, you copy it one by one like that. You sit down for a day, you copy it one by one like that, you post it into Postly AI, pick a date, pick a time, and trust me, you don't have to lift a finger after that day. Postly AI is going to do 30 days posting for you for free. This tool is absolutely free. Okay, see me editing these things now. After all the editing I'm going to do today, I don't need to come back here to start saying, oh, okay, I want to change something. No, after today, all I need to do is go and do my normal work. This thing will be auto posting for me. So now we are going to edit this second post I want to make, so that will make sure it looks neat. This is where the work comes in. You don't just copy and paste, you make sure it looks neat, so when it comes online it looks fine. You select time. Mind you, when you select time, if you've not already clicked on the left side tag where your name is, it's not going to work. Select time, select day, select the exact time you want. I've always chosen 7 a.m. click on OK, click on done, and then click on publish. And then it's taking a little while now. I think the network is bad, but then it's definitely going to publish, and it's going to stay in your dashboard. And on that day I clicked, you see all the scheduled content I have. On that day I clicked, they're going to automatically come up. Thank you guys.